everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn past indefinite tense. Well, first of all, what is past indefinite tense? Past indefinite tense indicates that the action described in a sentence has happened before and is not a current happening. Right now, same like other tenses, past indefinite tense also has three types, right? That is, first one, affirmative. Second one, negative. And third one, interrogative. Now, these are three types of past indefinite tense, right? Now, I will write the formation of affirmative sentence, right? Formation. All right, we have subject plus V2, that is second form of verb, plus our object. Now I have an example. Example is she watched a movie. This is example of past indefinite affirmative tense, right? She in this sentence is our subject, watched is V2, that is second form of verb, and movie is our object, right? Now I will write the formation of past indefinite negative tense. Formation is subject plus did not plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus object, right? First of all, let me clear this. With did not, we always put the first form of verb, right? Where there is a did not in a sentence, we will always write first form of verb, right? Now I will write the example. Example is she did not watched a movie. Sorry, she did not watch. We will not put second or third form with did not, right? She did not watch a movie. Although this is a past indefinite tense, but with did not, we never ever write second or third form of verb. Did not watch a movie, right? Now I will write the formation of past indefinite interrogative tense, that is did plus subject plus V1, that is first form of verb, plus object plus question mark. Now I'll write an example of this, which is, did she watch a movie? Did she watch a movie? Now did is we have did in our sentence, so we will write the second, no sorry, we will write the first form of verb, right? Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep supporting. See you in the next video. Bye bye.